Hello, my name is Lupe Tapia and I'm presenting on salmonellosis, known as Salmonella. Salmonella was named after the scientist Dr. Daniel Salmon. He discovered salmonellosis. Salmonellosis is an infection with bacteria called Salmonella. There are three main serovirus of Salmonella enterica, which are Tapherium, Enteritis, and Typhi. Salmonella is a bacterium that occurs mainly in the intestines. Salmonella is a group of bacteria that causes typhoid fever, food poisoning, gastroenteritis, enteric fever, and other illness. Salmonella is a bacterium shaped like a rod with a cell wall composed of peptidoglycan. Salmonella live in the intestinal tracts of humans and other animals, including birds. Salmonella are usually transmitted to humans by eating foods that are contaminated with animal feces. Contaminated foods usually look and smell normal. However, there's still salmonella in it. Food may also become contaminated by the hands of an infected food handler who did not wash their hands with soap after using the bathroom. Salmonella may also be found in feces of some pets, especially reptiles such as turtles, lizards, and snakes, which are particularly like to harbor salmonella. Many chicks and young birds carry salmonella in their feces. People should always wash their hands immediately after handling a reptile or a bird, even if the animal is healthy. Most people infected with salmonella develop diarrhea, fever, and abdominal cramps, which last 12 to 72 hours after infection. The illness usually lasts 4 to 7 days, and most people recover without treatment. However, in some people, the diarrhea may be so severe that the patient needs to be hospitalized. In these patients, the salmonella infection may spread from the intestines to the bloodstream and then to other body sites and can cause death unless the person is treated promptly with antibiotics. Determining the salmonella is the cause of the illness depends on laboratory tests that identify salmonella in the stool of the infected person. Once salmonella has been identified, there is more tests to this disease. Long-term consequences to salmonella infection. A small number of people with salmonella develop pain in their joints, irritation of the eyes, and painful irritation. This is called Rader syndrome. It can last for months or years and can lead to chronic arthritis, which is difficult to treat. Antibiotic treatment does not make a difference in whether or not the person develops arthritis. The elderly, infants, and those with impaired immune system are more likely to have a severe illness. A current local issue in California is USDA closes foster farms over roach infestation. The U.S. Department of Agriculture suspended operations at a Foster Farms poultry plant on Wednesday, January 8, 2014, because of a cockroach infestation. The plant, which is located in Livingston, California, 25 miles in southeast of Modesto, was one of the three Foster Farms facilities linked to a salmonella outbreak that has sickened at least 416 people nationwide since last March. There is no vaccine to prevent salmonellosis. However, people can prevent from being contaminated by not eating raw or undercooked eggs, poultry, or meat. Raw eggs may be unrecognized in some foods, such as homemade salad dressings, ice cream, mayonnaise, cookie dough, and frostings. Poultry and meat, including hamburgers, should be well cooked, not pink in the middle. People also should not consume raw or unpasteurized milk or other dairy products. Produce should be thoroughly washed. Also, uncooked meat should be kept separate from produce that has been already done. All utensils such as knives, cutting boards, and counters should be washed. Another important thing is that people should wash their hands when they go to the restroom or touch uncooked meat.